guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called Your Sense of Self, and it is a scent box. So in it you will find 6 to 8 premium scenty products like sachets, candles, you know, things of that sort to make your environment smell fabulous. I know that I personally, I mean, I'm sure you've seen my collection of candles, and this isn't all of them. Plus I have Scentsy all over the house, and you know, I like to boil pots of cinnamon and like orange slices. It makes the house smell amazing. So anyway, I know that I love scents, and I know that I am not alone in that. This box is $99 a month. You do get discounted rates if you prepay for, you know, 6 months, a year in advance, whatever. And I do have a discount code as well, so I will leave all of that information in the description box. Plus, they are so generous as to offer you guys a giveaway. So just let me know in the comments if you would like to win one of these fantastic boxes, and you will be entered into the contest. I will pick a winner in the next week or so, and then Your Sense of Self will actually send you a promo code so that you can sign up and go through the whole process that way. So, all right, shall I show you what's actually in the box? Let's do it. It's a heavy box, by the way. Okay, so you open it up, and on top I have Bella Freesia scented envelope sachets. I don't even know what that is. And then a bunch of, oh gosh, it smells good. Here. Okay, let's see. I have a little doomaflauchy here. Okay, so these sachets, lifespan up to 4 months, perfect for home, office, or travel, place in drawers, bags, linen closets, and any enclosed space. Like this, do I open it? I really don't understand. I've never seen anything like this before. You can definitely smell it, so I guess it's like a little potpourri in an envelope thing, and you can shove this, you know, wherever you want it to smell good. That's actually pretty cool. I love this. You know, you can put it in your choni drawer or in the bathroom or wherever. Okay, fun. All right, so let's see, what else do we have? I see that same Bella Freesia packaging here, and this is, oh, this is one of those, a diffuser, signature reed diffuser. Okay, awesome, that's pretty. Cute little thing that you can set, you know, on a counter or in the bathroom or whatever, and then you put the reeds in, and it looks cute and smells fantastic. That's fun. Oh, I like that. That's nice. You can just tell by these products that these are high quality products. And I know that $99 does seem expensive, but if you've ever bought high quality candles, they're freaking expensive. So I feel like this is not a bad price. Oh, that smells good. What is this? Classic linen. I normally don't like linen-y scents. That smells good. And they're always soy candles. Let's see, burn time up to 40 to 50 hours. Perfect for home, office, or travel. Oh, lifespan of the reed diffuser says 30 days. Good to know, good to know. Ooh, what is this? Is this one of those? It is, it's one of those car things. You clip this onto like the, you know, the air duct or whatever, and it makes your car smell good. Ooh, that's fun. Love it. This one, up to 30 days. Nice. I love that everything is going to smell the same. Wherever I go, it's all gonna smell the same. Except for the candles. The candles smell different. This one, ooh, Cashmere Kiss. Oh, that smells really, really good. This one has a little more of a musky scent to it. That smells good. I love the lids on these candles. It has this little handle right here. Aren't those cute? So 2 fun little candles, same company, different scents. Oh, cute. Oh, it's like a little heart-shaped one. It's just a little jar of matches, like Strike Anywhere matches. I love things like this. They're just so cute, plus I like using matches. There's just something, you know, I don't know, a little nicer about it than just using a regular old lighter. Not that I don't use lighters, but I like the matches. They're just cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that, isn't that nice? And then the inside has like a shiny bit here, and it's that same Bella Freesia. Wow, this is awesome. What a beautiful candle. This is the kind of thing that like I'm saving this jar even after the candle is long gone. Wow, what a fun and wonderful box. This is a lot of really great stuff. These are nice pieces, I guess you could call them. How fun! All right, well, like I said, I will leave all of the information in the description box where you too can get your own box. Plus, don't forget to enter the giveaway. So excited. I love being able to give away things to you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!